This is how to get discounted gift cards. In this video, I'll be taking you through the best place to buy Amazon gift cards with 25% discounts. Let me show you. You can see this is the website where you can get Amazon gift cards with up to 25% discount. Like you can see, instead of you buying an Amazon gift cards of $200, you can come to this website to save 25% of that money. This is the website. This is the best website to get Amazon gift cards at a discounted price of 25%. Look at it. This is one gift card of $200, but you can get it at this price of $151. $1.31 is a commission for the platform. This is another $200 gift cards, and this is another $433 gift cards that you'll be able to get at $330, which is 25% discount. Ensure you watch this video to the end. You will have opportunity to claim a sign-up bonus of $3 offered by this website. You will also get to know how to get these gift cards for free instead of buying them at a discounted price. But do me one big favor, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, also click that notification bell. You'll be able to know as I publish my videos every week. Thank you so much for doing that for me. So what is the best website to get discounted gift cards? The name of this website is AirTM. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video. When you do that, you get to this page. You will see accepting invitation from Ask JOFA. When you use my link, AirTM will give you a free sign up gift of $3. All you need to do is to sign up as individual, then you follow the step-by-step process. If you have any issue to sign up and to verify your account, all you just need to do is to search with AirTM by Ask JOFA. The link of this video will come out. You can use that link and be able to sign up using this video. Also, this video will help you to get your account verified very fast. The link of the video will come out here. Watch that video later. This is my AirTM page. As soon as you sign up, you will land in this environment. The first thing you need to do is to fund your wallet with the amount you will use to buy the Amazon gift cards. Suppose you want to buy Amazon gift cards of $200, but you are getting it at a discount of 25%. That implies that you only need $150, but you need to put some money for commission for the platform. So you fund your account with like $152, $155. To fund your account, you click add. Because you want to add money, you click add. You can see you can use over 500 payment method to fund your account on this platform. You click search payment method. You can see select payment method. That is the payment method you will use to fund your account. You can fund your account with bank, with cash. You can use crypto, you can use your card, you can use e-wallet, you can also use other gift cards to do that. For instance, if you are funding your account with bank in your country, you click bank. You'll be able to see on this platform banks from most countries of the world, including your bank in your country. For instance, if you are funding your account from Nigeria, you type Nigeria. You can fund your account with your Naira account, you can fund your account with your dollar account. Follow the step-by-step process. It's very simple. As soon as you have money in your wallet, the next thing to do is to come to setting. You scroll down. This is setting. You click setting. You select your payment methods. Then you click add new. You select gift cards. You can buy and get different kind of gift cards at a discount on this platform. This is Amazon gift card, eBay gift card, Fortnite, Google Play, iTunes, Ksmart, Netflix, PlayStation, Razer Gold, Spotify, Starbucks, Steam, Xbox. But our objective is to get Amazon gift cards at a discounted price. You click Amazon. Mainly we are dealing with digital gift cards. You click digital gift cards. There are Amazon gift cards of different countries, but our objective is to get Amazon US at a discounted price of 25%. So you scroll down, look at it. You look for Amazon USD digital card. You click it. You have option. If you are looking for one gift card, you click this. If you are looking for 2 gift cards or multiple of 5, you click this. If you are looking for 5 or more, you click this. But our target is 1. You click this. Then you update your record. As soon as you update your record and you conclude that, you come back to this place. You click this symbol. It's called I'm a cashier. You click it. You'll be able to see gift cards that is currently available for you to purchase. You can see this is $200 worth of gift cards, but you'll be able to buy it at a discounted price of $151. It's supposed to be $150, but because of commission for the platform, all you need to do is to click accept. This is another $200 gift cards. This is another gift card of $430 $333.50. You'll be able to get it at a discounted price of $330. If your choice is $50, $10, you'll be able to see when it's available, and they're always available. As soon as you decide on the kind of gift cards that you want to purchase, you click accept, and you'll be able to instantly have access to the person that wants to sell these gift cards to you. Don't forget, you have your money already funded in your wallet to buy these $200 gift cards at a discounted price of $150 plus. So you'll be able to chat with this person, and this person will be able to send the gift card codes to your email address, and you'll be able to see the gift card codes via the chat on this platform. Before you part with your money, you collect the gift card codes and you come to your Amazon platform. You can see this is Amazon gift card session. You scroll down, you click Amazon gift card. Since you want to redeem the gift card code, you want to know if the gift card code that the person wants to give you is valid or not, you click redeem gift cards. You can see redeem a gift card. This is where you input the code that the person will give you. You will type the code here. It's called claim code. This is how the claim code look like without the dashes. So you type the claim code here. As soon as you type the claim code, you apply to your balance, and instantly your current balance will jack up. You see, I currently have $13. So immediately your balance is applied, it increased. That implies that that gift card is not usable for anybody again except you, including the person that is selling it. So you quickly go back to AirTM platform, this place, to release the money to the seller. That is, you are indicating that the gift card code is valid and you've taken custody of the gift card codes. For you to learn step by step of how to check and validate the authenticity of any gift card code and to apply it to your balance on Amazon, watch this video. This video will take you through how to activate your gift card claim code on Amazon step by step. The link of the video will come out here. All you need to do whenever you want to buy extra gift cards at a discounted price is for you to come back to I'm a cashier. You'll be able to have access to other available gift cards as at that moment. You continue to refresh and check. As people get these gift card codes, they want to sell them, and you'll be here to purchase it from them. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video. Thank you so much for doing that for me. Watch this video. It will take you through step by step of how to get discounted Amazon gift cards on AirTM and how to use it to make a purchase on Amazon platform, and you'll be able to ship to your country and you can sell at a good price. Don't forget to please subscribe to this channel, like this video. Thank you so much for doing that for me. You can now buy Amazon gift cards at a discounted price of 25%. Can you imagine that? You can even start a good business with this. You'll be able to purchase on Amazon at a discounted price of 25% plus shipping, and you can resell in your country. Also, you can also claim free money on AirTM. I did a video about multiple ways to get free money on that platform. Watch this video to learn how to claim free money on AirTM step by step. Do me one big favor. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, click that notification bell. You get to know when I publish my videos every week. Also, another thing you need to do is to watch the next video. You'll be able to get Amazon gift cards completely free. Yes, I disclosed 9 websites where I get free Amazon gift cards. Ensure you watch this video, and the second video will show you how to use AirTM to your advantage. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video. Please drop your comment. I will always get back to you. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.